How to add music on Facebook profile. Hello everyone, welcome to this channel. I'm Emily and I'm here to help you out today. So without any delay, let's get started. Now first of all, launch the Facebook application on your device over here and make sure you're logged into your account. Now tap on your profile at the top right corner of the screen and then tap on your profile yet again. So as you do that, simply scroll down and tap on the option of see about info. So here, scroll down, and as you scroll down, you can see the option of add music. So just tap on add music, and as you tap on add music over here, it will take us to a new page where you'll be able to select music over here. So you can just tap on this plus icon and you can add or search for different musics over here. So here I'm going to select on a particular music, and then it will be added to our profile over here. So let's just tap on that music over here. And there you go. You have added music on your Facebook profile. So that's it. Thank you so much for watching this video. See you next time.